And the next step is going to be placing the floor. I'm going to go to the level 1 ground floor. And first of all, I'm going to bring back all the walls transparency. What am I going to do? I'm going to first of all select the wall and then go to override graphics in view by category, and then I will bring back to 0 and hit OK, and I'll have most of our walls looking nice. Now we are going to place floors in this position. Now what are we going to do? We are going to go to architecture, then go to flow. And what are we going to do? I'm actually going to choose this particular one. I do not really need to choose the minus 15. I'm going to choose minus 17 point. And now what I will do, I will start to placing walls. I'm going to actually use this one here, and I'm going to go over this as simple as that. I'm going to go over this, and I will go over this one here like this, and I will go over this one here like that, and I'm going to hold the edge of the walls like that, and here and here, and then here and here. This is it. In most of the cases, I'm going to have this one here. Now I'm going to trim and extend this way, that, trim and extend, trim and extend, trim and extend, and now we have our floor placed. Okay, let's go to this thumbnail here and we see what we have already done. As you can see, this one is at is positive, but we must put it on negative. Okay, let me put a minus, and this is exactly what we are actually going to do. And when you look very well, there is a 5 millimeters thickness which is above the foundation wall, and that is the reason why I was actually putting all my doors at minus 17.5, because I knew exactly that my floor is going to be at minus 17.5. So that's why doors and windows are going to be placed at the same height. Okay, now it's time for exercise. Now what you are going to do is you are going to place a floor here on the side of the parking, another one here on the side of the garden. This type of floor is going to be at 30 centimeters below the ground. And now I'll be back with the correction of the exercise after you have done your trial.